Hi, this is Mitali. Actually, last year there was a time when I had started my online brand, and I was also looking for, to have multiple sources of income because I didn't want to restrict myself to, just one source. So that was the kind of mindset I had, and that is exactly when I met Manas. And when I started my journey with Manas, I just cannot explain you that he identified a skill in me which I never paid attention to. So, almost 1.5 year back, I had done a healing certification because I wanted to help myself, and I also wanted to help my, family, friends, and relatives, and everybody. So, I had done that certification and I was helping everybody. Okay. So, he was the one who identified it and said, Mitali, you have the skills and you have the capability wherein you can help many other people, you can transform lives of other people. And initially I was very skeptic because he asked me that I thought maybe I would need a lot of investment and everything, and he said, no, Mitali, you will not need a lot of investment, but at least you can start with Instagram. And I was like, I am a camera shy person. I don't feel confident to speak in front of camera and making content, and then expecting to do something fruitful out of it. And I was not confident, but he was the one who was so confident on me that I cannot explain you. And I kept pushing him that no, maybe we should try something else. And then he said, no, Mitali, I know that this is your true value and you can do something really big in it. So based on his encouragement and his guidance, I launched my Instagram account, and then I started posting. And oh my god, as soon as I started posting, back to back my three content went viral. And he gave me so much of guidance in terms of how to do sales, because I had no idea about doing one-on-one sales pitch and everything. So he was the one who trained me at every step. And the most shocking part was that the girl who never thought that a healing skill could get her any additional source of income, the same girl was earning a lakh in the very first month of her launch. So that was a really, that was a time which really shocked me. And I always say that I'm so grateful to Manas that he identified that skill in me, because if he would not have identified that, I don't know, I might not be where I am today. So I'm so grateful to him as a mentor for guiding me, for taking me through this journey. And if anybody who is just doing 9 to 6 job, or who really wants to transform their life, and who really wants to have that sort of a mentorship wherein you would be able to generate multiple sources of income, then you should definitely go ahead with him. He's the most he's just amazing. He's the most disciplined human being I have ever seen, and he is just absolutely amazing human being. So if you are really looking for somebody uh, to guide you through this journey, then I can 100% vouch on it that he's the one. And I'm so grateful, Manas, for all the support and all the mentorship that I've received from you, and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you.